Stubborn soiling and stains such as insects or brake dust are pre-sprayed with suitable detergents. The vehicle is sprayed with a 3 to 4% solution of detergent from the bottom upwards to avoid streaks being caused by the detergent running down the vehicle. Never allow detergent to dry on the vehicle. The metering controller can be turned back just before the whole vehicle has been sprayed. After allowing a short period for the detergent to act, clean the vehicle from the bottom upwards with hot water using the high-pressure fan jet. Make sure you always keep the nozzle at the same distance from the surface. In the case of sensitive components, such as window seals, it's necessary to considerably increase the distance between the nozzle and surface. Finish off by rinsing the vehicle with fresh water from the top downwards.